हेलो दोस्तों। आज हम लोग सुनने वाले हैं हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को जो स्पोकन इंग्लिश सीख रहे हैं। इनमें 2 to 3 वीक्स ओल्ड स्टूडेंट्स हैं और ये हमें बताने वाले हैं व्हाट इज देयर एम इन लाइफ। इनका अपनी लाइफ में एम क्या है, व्हाट डू दे वांट टू बिकम इन लाइफ। इन लोगों ने बहुत हार्ड वर्क किया है और 2 से 3 हफ्ते में अगर कोई व्यक्ति इंग्लिश बोलना सीख रहा है और वो इतना कुछ कर पा रहा है कि अपना वो वीडियो बना पाए और इतने अच्छे से अपने आइडियाज को प्रेजेंट कर पाए, तो दे एक्चुअली डिजर्व अ लॉट ऑफ अप्रिशिएशन एंड अ पैट ऑन द बैक। सो गाइज, इस वीडियो को पूरा देखिएगा। हर व्यक्ति ने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से अपना एम बताने की कोशिश करी है डिपेंडिंग अपॉन देयर लेवल, एंड आई फील दैट दीज पीपल आर डूइंग ग्रेट। लेकिन आपको इनकी परफॉर्मेंस कैसी लग रही है? क्या एक्सीलेंट एकेडमी इन लोगों को बेहतर बना पा रहा है? कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख करके जरूर बताइएगा दोस्तों। और अगर अभी तक आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो तुरंत कर लें और बेल आइकन दबाना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा, ताकि कोई भी नया वीडियो अपलोड होते ही आप तक नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले पहुंच जाए। तो वीडियोस को लाइक करना, शेयर करना, कमेंट करना भी बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा गाइस, क्योंकि इसी से हमें पता लगता है कि आपको जो वीडियोस हम अपलोड कर रहे हैं वो पसंद आ रहे हैं या नहीं आ रहे हैं, या फिर कुछ और है जो आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं हम लोगों से। तो अगर आप कुछ पर्सनल कमेंट्स देना चाहते हैं तो आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप भी कर सकते हैं। डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर भी आपको मिल जाएगा दोस्तों। थैंक यू फॉर सब्सक्राइबिंग टू दिस चैनल एंड वॉचिंग दीज वीडियोस। तो वीडियोस को पूरा देखिएगा एंड एंजॉय करें और मुझे जरूर बताइएगा कमेंट में बॉक्स में लिख करके व्हाट इज योर एम इन लाइफ। एंजॉय द वीडियो गाइस।
Hello, my name is Dipanshu and I am sports nutritionist at New Life Healthcare Private Limited. I live in a nuclear family. I have a sister. My mother is a homemaker. My father is a businessman. Furthermore, if I am talking about my aim, I want to be a dietitian in my life. For that, I want to go abroad for my higher studies. Moreover, we already know that everyone wants to live a healthy lifestyle, but that's not true because nobody knows that what to eat, what not to eat. So I want to help that person who don't know what to eat, what not to eat. I want to help that person to live a healthy and fit lifestyle. That's all.
I am
Have fun.
Gopal. Today I want to tell you about my aim. Generally, different people have different aim in their life. Some people want to be doctors, engineers, and scientists, while some people become actors, musicians, and teachers, etc. Although now I am working in the Department of Agriculture, yet the aim of my life is to get the job in the Department of Animal Husbandry because I want to serve the animals and to take care of them. And I love animals very much. Thank you.
Okay, today's topic talking about aim. What is aim? Aim is like a goal. What I want to become. What is my aim in my life? So aim is connected many things, like first your dream, after that a plan, and after that move on to next thing, your hard work, your sacrifice. Then that all things become an achievement, and if you maintain your achievement regularly with the positive things and self-motivated and never give up in between doing the hard work, then you become a successful person. Okay, because success is not ready-made, it's rented, and that rent due every day.
Hello everyone, my name is Devesh Singh Rao and today I am going to tell you what I achieved and what I want next in my life. Currently I am serving in Indian Air Force as an airman, and I feel very proud to be an airman and serving for the nation. And as far as my short-term goal is concerned, that I want to become a fluent speaker in English so that I can speak in front of people on any topic without any hesitation. This is the reason I am learning English speaking. and I am learning English speaking for my personal development. And because in our country people take English as a skill, not as a language. This is the reason I joined Accent Academy. So one famous line is flashing in my mind, that is, more certain peace, less blood in war. Here we can relate this line with our life, because our life is like war, and we are fighting to achieve our goals in our by doing hard work. So I would like to end this video with one line, that is, work hard today for a successful tomorrow. Work hard today for a successful tomorrow. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. I am Samriddhi and I am going to tell you about my aim in life. First of all, what is an aim? An aim is something that don't let you sleep. It is the pre-planning of the goal which you want to achieve. But an aim alone can't take you to the success. The sweet dish of the success needs many things. For example, aim with determination, strong willpower, and hard work. Every child grows up and wants to become something. He or she works hard to become for the same. My aim in life is to become an engineer. From the childhood, I have been trying and practicing to become an engineer. And I want to study engineering and want to become an engineer. The engineer is the backbone of the buildings he makes. He uses many theories and mathematical problems to solve the issue. And engineer is as important as the court, as the judge in the courtroom. So I think that it helps you and it helps you to achieve something in your life. And every human being needs an aim to become something in their life. This thought you must remember, that dream before you do it.
If you want to be happy, you should make a goal. By this great thought, let me start introducing you my aim. So, I don't want to work in a pressure which is given by owners. I want to own a job. So, I want to become an entrepreneur because I want to think out of the box. And wants to become an entrepreneur because an entrepreneur plays a major role in society and lift up the society and gives job, which is a very good task. So I want that the entrepreneur also give ideas to other children to become the entrepreneur, so that their creativity could be blessed or used in some other manner. So that's all about me. Thank you.
Hello friend, this is Naren from Haldwani, and today I am going to speak on a very beautiful topic, my aim in life. So friends, everyone is having different aim. Somebody wants to become engineer, somebody wants to become a doctor, somebody wants to become something, fashion designer, etc. So friends, today I am going to tell you about my dream, that what I want to become. My aim is to become a good stenographer and get some mastery in this. And for that I am preparing for SSC exam. When I get this job, I'll definitely teach some poor students who are unable to pay this pay money for this. And after then, you know what friend, if you want to achieve the goal or dream, for that we should remember 2 to 3 things. First of all, if we want to decide to achieve something, first of all we should think, and then we have to make up the mind. Then what we have to do, that we should clear 2 things. One is region, second thing is vision. So friends, if we clear region and vision, we will definitely clear our aim and we will definitely achieve that thing. So friend, and if I talk about the examples, so we are having different examples in different field, musical field, like Lata Mangeshkar, Son Nigam, Udit Narayan. In sports fields, the father of cricket, Sachin Tendulkar, so etc. So every person is having, every person was having their aim in their life, and at the end they got it. For that we have to sacrifice. if we learn to sacrifice that, how that for getting something we have to pay something, after then we will get success. So this is what I want to say. And at the end I would like to tell you, at the end I would like to say something on your dream and aim, that what you want to become, fake it till you make it. So friends, thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ranjana and today I am delivering a short speech on the topic My Aim in Life. All the human beings have one or other specific aim. Every human has the right to select what he wants to do in his life. My aim is to become a good teacher. Educating the little children is the real blessing. I will teach in the school and give my student the gift of knowledge. Becoming a teacher would means sharpening the life of student. I will do hard work to achieve my dreams. Thank you.
Hello, my dear friends. My name is Dinesh Tiwari. I have done a diploma in mechanical engineering and I am presently working automobile sector as a senior engineer. And my aim is I work in the post of general manager in automobile companies. And I am always ready and try for whatever and hard work and I have to do for it. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Daisy and today I am going to discuss about my aim. So what is aim? Aim is a goal or purpose for doing something, and we all should have aim because aim is very important. A man without an aim is like a bird without directions. Aim is very necessary for everyone. As a very famous saying goes by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, that you have to dream before your dreams come true. So I have seen that almost every Indian goes to NASA so that they can earn their livelihood, but it's not true. I want to become an aerospace engineer in ISRO and I want to work for my country. I salute Dr. APJ Abdul. I do not salute Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. I salute his ideas, his attitude towards his country, his conscience, and everything what he does for our country. Only 0.1% of people are there who actually want to do their work properly, and passionate about their work. So everyone should have their aim. Thank you.
Hi, good evening. I am Lisha. My aim in life. My aim in life. Different men have different aim in life. My aim in life to be good teacher. My parents and teacher always tell me the importance of teaching. It is a noble profession. I want to make the student a good human being and good citizen. I want to become a guide, philosopher and real friend on the student. I will explain to the clearly every chapter so that the can it is easily. I want to nurture the tender mind of the pupils. I can help in bending their outlook on life. I know this profession will help me to achieve peace and contentment in my life. I am study hard to fulfill my dream. Thank you.
Name is Nitesh Badlani. My aim is bank life. Bank में serving people. Deposit from the public money to give loan and advance money it to the public. Working agent from customer is very important for the job life of the bank. This job is safe, salary is better than other job, public get respect. Banking is an industry that cash credit and other finance translate bank check, saving account, certificate of deposit.